application error. Follow these in order. After each step, try launching the game again to see if the error is gone. 1. Update drivers and system. Ensure your graphics card drivers are fully up to date, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Ensure your Windows system is updated, latest patches. Update or install required frameworks, Visual C++, DirectX. If these are outdated, the game may fail to launch. 2. Disable overlays and background extras. In your game library, e.g. Steam, disable Steam overlay for the game. Disable other overlays apps, Discord overlay, NVIDIA AMD overlays, recording tools. Close any controller, USB devices not needed. These extras sometimes conflict with the game's startup. 3. Configure antivirus Windows security exceptions. In Windows Security or your antivirus program, add the game's executable, e.g. fm.exe, and any crash handler, Unity Crash Handler 64.exe, to allowed exceptions list. Also check controlled folder access in Windows Defender. Allow the game access to needed folders. Some users found the game was being blocked at launch due to these protections. How 4. Clear cache and preferences, game data. Exit the game and close its launcher. Navigate to see users, your username, app data, local sports interactive, football manager, delete or move to desktop, the folders named cache and preferences. Restart the game. You'll need to reset your in-game preferences again, but this often fixes launch errors caused by corrupted data. 5. Verify game files and reinstall if needed. In Steam or your platform, right-click the game, Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. If verification fails or doesn't fix the issue, uninstall the game, restart your PC, reinstall to a stable drive, preferably SSD. This rebuilds any missing or corrupted files. 6. Adjust launch options and graphics mode. In the game's properties, set launch options like config very low or similar low config flags. Try running the game in windowed mode instead of full screen if full screen triggers the error. If you have dual graphics integrated dedicated, force the game to use the dedicated GPU. This helps if the error is due to graphics/compatibility issues. Hazarder 7. Check for extra causes. Remove any custom skins, logos, mods, or third-party content. These can cause crashes at launch. Disable VPNs, proxies, or unusual DNS settings. Some error codes arise from network config issues. If the issue still persists, collect the crash dump/log files, e.g. located in Documents Sports Interactive title crash dumps, and submit a support ticket with your system info.